when you look at Warren Buffett, he says don't diversify, but even he kind of diversifies, right? Because if we go to Warren Buffett's portfolio, let me see if I can Google this. Warren Buffett portfolio. He has more than, actually CNBC seems to have this here on the website. He has a lot more than 10 different investments. So this is on CNBC. It's called Buffett Watch. So these are his holdings. I mean, this to me seems that he's doing that. He's not just investing in one single investment. He has more than 10. This is diversification. So while he might say he doesn't diversify, I think what he's saying, don't just do purely index type strategy. Because he has American Airlines, Apple, Amazon, American Express, Exalta, Bank of America, Biogen, Bank of New York, Mellon, Costco, Delta, GM, Goldman Sachs, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, Kraft Heinz, Coca-Cola, Kroger, MasterCard, Southwest, Moody's, Procter & Gamble, PNC, Philips, Sirius Radio, United Airlines, UPS, Visa, Vanguard, VeriSign, Wells Fargo. I mean, so don't listen to the media or to what somebody just says. You also have to do the actual research. And to me, he's hella diversified, right? So take the interviews where he says don't diversify with a grain of salt, because he's not just putting all his money in just one basket. And then he also has the index trust, right? So looking, can we sort this by value? Okay, yes we can. So his largest holdings: Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Amex. And if we go to the stake, okay, so he has, okay, I think this is probably based on the shares and not based on, so he has 30% of this company. But I mean, he's very diversified in my opinion, because according to the book The Intelligent Investor, they say have minimum 10 investments to 30. And I'm not sure how many this is, but looks like it's about 30 or so. So going back to your question, diversify. I mean, even the professionals who claim they don't, right, still do it.